Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm dealing with a 2006 Chevy Cobalt. The passenger headlight bulb is out, so I'm going to be switching that out. This is the bulb that you want to replace it with, 9007. What you have to do first, there are two bolts here and here. Those are 10 millimeter. You want to use a 10 millimeter socket and take these bolts out. The next step is you want to wiggle the whole headlight assembly out. What you're going to have to do is angle it and push down on several places and just keep working it, and it'll eventually pop out. Next step is you want to disconnect the harness to the headlight. Then you have this black round cylinder that you want to unscrew. Once you unscrew that black cylinder, it'll expose the headlight that you can, or the headlight bulb I should say, that you could just twist out. That's the bad headlight bulb, and we will now replace it with the good one. Just a tip, you don't want to touch the glass on the new headlight bulb with your fingers. Make sure you grasp it with the plastic coating. Oil from your skin can cause the headlight bulb to expire or break prematurely, so just grab it by the black base. Then we'll install that into the headlight assembly. Just put it in and turn it. Once you get the black cylinder screwed back in, you can reattach the harness to the headlight bulb. And before we put the whole headlight assembly back in, I like to just test out the headlight just to make sure it's working, so you don't have to uninstall it again if something's not connected correctly. Okay, and the headlight is working. So now we're going to reinstall the headlight assembly back on the car. I have the headlight assembly back on the car. I put this side in first just to give you some leverage so you can angle this side in, and then just make sure the holes line up so you can get the bolts back in. Everything's back in. Tighten down the two 10 millimeter bolts. You don't have to over tighten these things, just do it until they're snug because you don't want to snap the plastic, and that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, feel free to give a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it, and have a great day.